Ladies and gentlemen, I have went from scalp trading forex to swing trading forex, and the results that I have found are pretty darn amazing. But before we get into this video, if you are looking for an actual system that works, that has been working for me, my proven strategies, well, here you go. I have multiple strategies that I have wrapped up all in one video course. The link is in the description if you're interested. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, if you don't know, I've been trading for 5 to 6 to 7 years. Okay. Now, I would like to say, to be fair, I have been trading Forex as far as a scalper and not a swing trader. I used to be all against swing trading until I realized recently how much money I have been making from swing trading. I'm not going to lie, I have made so much profit that I can definitely split two accounts, make two live accounts if I really wanted to. So, here's the big results about swing trading. The great thing about swing trading is not only are you seeing more profits, but you don't have to look at the charts as long as you should be looking at it. So, a lot of times with scalpers is you have to constantly be paying attention, you have to constantly be looking at the charts, and you have to pay attention to your entry points, your exit points, because remember, you're in and out very quickly. But with swing trading, it has been so much less stressful because I just enter into one particular trade and then I just let it go, set and forget, and let the market do what it wants to do. Whether it stops me out or whether it gets to take profit area, it doesn't matter. Here's the results from this swing trading strategy. Number one, it has grown my live account all the way from 200 to 1600 to 1600 to 3800 to 3800 to 5800. And I should have closed at 5800, but it came back down and stopped me out, which is totally fine. However, the other side, the flip side of this is with my prop firm accounts. I had a 10K prop firm challenge that I was doing. I passed my prop firm challenge within a couple days, and then I went on to trade a 100K challenge. I passed my 100K in like 2 weeks, and now I am a fully funded trader owning two prop firm live funded accounts. Guys, this is amazing. I cannot make this up. When people said that swing trading is just too much, you got to look at the higher time frame, you have to wait. Guys, I'm telling you, it's all worth it. But some of these things that they talk about swing trading, they don't let you in on some of the things that I know about. Okay. You don't necessarily have to swing trade off of the higher time frame. You don't have to enter off of that higher time frame. Whoever told you that is just gibberish. Whoever telling you that is probably because they are experienced working from the higher time frame and down, which what we call the top down analysis. Guys, I don't even do a top down analysis. I really don't. All I do is I look at the 5 minute chart. I look for breaks, right? I don't even wait on retest. I wait for a simple break. I enter, and all I do is just let the trade do what I want to do. Now, you could wait on a retest. You could do whatever you want to do as far as how you think that is best for you, whether you want to wait on a retest, a supply and demand, support and resistance. That's all up to you. But for me, when I know the market is going, it's going. But guys, I have generated more profits in swing trading than I ever have with scalping. Scalping sometimes have become so difficult for me. And the reason why scalping has became so much difficult is because I'll be working a job, be looking at my phone, working at a job, looking at my phone, doing all these other things, and all of a sudden I'm fully distracted. Not only that, when I lose in scalping and I am distracted and I am working, I become even more stressed because I'm trying to make money, but at the same time, my mind is over here. When I swing trade, the flip side of that, when I swing trade, it's less stressful. Not only if I lose, I'm okay, but I know that one trade could flip or quadruple or triple my account. I rather swing trade all of my Forex profits and come out at the end of the month in great profits than trying to make money day by day and by the end of the month to make sure that I'm up in profit. Like, guys, scalping has become a little bit more stressful just for me personally because of the simple fact it's causing me to stare at the charts all day long. All I got to do with swing trading is enter one time and come back later to check on my trades. So it's generated me more profits. Guys, I've never in my lifetime became funded quickly as a Forex trader than I ever has as a scalper. When I was scalping Forex, the last time I passed a challenge, Forex challenge. It took me 5 to 6 months to pass it. And the reason why is because remember, not only when you're scalping, you're compounding slowly, but also when you're scalping, you are more susceptible to losses because you are in the market almost every single day, right? With swing trading, you only have to enter the market once or twice in a whole week and let the trend ride. Now, this might seem counterintuitive. What I would say is you're not always going to get the full swing. Okay. You might get half of a swing, and then all of a sudden the market might reverse. Sometimes those reversals might be strong pullbacks and may stop you out and then go right back up. However, the reward in that is when the market is trending in your area, right? You could put your stop loss at break even, set and forget, and let it ride. And if it does come on the way down and stop you out, it's totally fine because you know that you can generate a whole lot more profits when it goes back up. For example, if it's in the trend and it's going up and it comes down and stops you out at break even, and you know it's at a good area to buy again, you're in a trade versus scalping. You're in a trade, you're in and out. But here's the tricky part about scalping. A lot of times when you're in a trade, when you're in a trade and you're trying to get in and out, sometimes the market is flexing on you going up and down, right? And we all know as scalpers, when the market is going up and down, and you're like, come on, just go to my take profit. It brings you so much more stress. Versus swing trading, it can go all the way up, come all the way back down, go all the way up, but you've seen the larger picture that it has to, as a buy, create higher highs and higher lows, or if you're selling, lower highs and lower lows. So overall, you can see the bigger picture, right? More easier, but with scalping, it's kind of hard to even determine the trend because you are more than likely looking on a smaller time frame, of course, and the market is definitely like everywhere on you, right? So I'm not saying that I'm knocking scalping. What I'm saying is scalping is a great I'm gonna say this. Scalping is a great way to trade. Okay. My mentor, if you guys don't know who Doyle Exchange, he was my mentor in the past, and he is a phenomenal scalper. And he is a great scalper. I'm not gonna say just, a good, phenomenal scalper. I'm gonna say he is a great scalper. I really think he is the GOAT at scalper, which it probably don't matter anyways, right? Because there's a lot of traders that scalping are really good. But to my knowledge and to how I've seen him trade and how I've seen how he often takes profit really well and his risk management, he is a really good scalper. But I often see the trades that I have taken that he has taken as well, like even off his Instagram. Sometimes I'm like, oh man, that's the same, trade I took, but I held it for a very long time. And I made crazy money, right? To know if I was to have the same account that he had, right? Which I don't know how much he actually has, but I know in the past he said, he was trading 100K, 50K, something like that, and around that area. Guys, I'm telling you, not only would I will not have a full-time job right now, I'd probably be sitting on some crazy money. So, what does this say about swing trading? What does this say about scalping? What it says is for you personally, if you're looking to swing trade, just know you have to be patient, of course, but just know you're going to generate a lot of profits if you do it right, right? Scalping, you are going to generate a lot of profits if you're patient, you use proper risk management as well, and you are okay looking at the markets. If you are okay looking at the markets every single second, every 5, every 10, 10 minutes, then that's for you, right? And I also believe scalping is really good for people who maybe have another job and they just want to sit down and just like get in and out of the market and go to work, okay? And especially for those who cannot look at their phone. I think scalping is amazing. But swing trading, if you're looking for this for the long haul, if you're trying to quadruple your profits, if you're really trying to earn the income and see your account grow 500%, right? In one trade, I'm serious, guys. Swing trading is for you, okay? Just know that there is no right and wrong field, okay? There's no right or wrong when it comes to scalping or swing trading. But I would say, personally, after hearing it from other people like Swaggy C, Toy Trades, um, I think his name is FX Alex G. I'm telling you, at first I was like, I don't know. Like I understand the swing trading concept, but it's just too much. I took their ideas and created it in my own way. Meaning I created my own strategy in a way with their ideas. And now I am a firm believer that swing trading, I know some of you guys gonna hate me for this, for you scalpers, and swing trading is one of the best ways to go, right? I see why Alex G was flipping his account from 100 to 1 million. Now, you guys won't probably believe that, but he did that live. He did it even with people that he was mentoring, right? He flipped those accounts within 30 days. It is possible. How do I know? I've done it with $100, not to 1 million, but I took $100 to 1,600 and then 1,600 to 3,800. Come on, guys. Like, the swing trading is the way to go. I couldn't even do that with scalping. I really couldn't do that with scalping. With scalping, it would take me forever. It probably take me 30 to 60 days to get it to that much money, which, hey, slow and steady rates of waste is cool. But if you're really trying to gain some profit and you're really trying to flip your account, you really want some capital so you can make more money, swing trading is the way to go. So, what do you guys think about swing trading? What do you guys think about your thoughts about swing trading? Because I know a lot of people have in the past said that swing trading is so boring. Swing trading doesn't work. It's too much. It's too much on my mind. You have to look at the higher time frames. And cool, yeah, you do have to look at the higher time frames to know the directional bias, but you don't have to be on a higher time frame for your entries. You can be on a 1 minute and still make a lot of money. So I recommend you, if you are interested in swing trading, to try it out. But again, I said this in my past video, but you have to be willing to, I'm gonna say it like this. You have to be willing to put in the work and to see if it fits your personality. Okay. The swing trading concept has now fit my personality. The good thing about me transitioning from a scalper to a swing trader is I can swing trade, and if I wanted to, I could scalp. I know both concepts now, but and overall, I'm going to swing trade. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. What you think about swing trading? What's going on in the swing trading world? For those who swing trading, if you're watching this video and you're a swing trader, please tell me what's going on in the swing trading world, because right now I am in love with swing trading. It's like my life is less stressful. For you scalpers, what do you think about swing trading? How do you think about your scalping situation right now? Are you profitable right now? Is it amazing for you? Yeah, we'd like to know your thoughts. So let me know your thoughts. And please like this video if you definitely loved watching this video. Definitely share if you like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lastly, I recommend that you look at my previous video, how I made profit with only trading breakouts. It will probably bless your trading journey. Thank you.